To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
Focus to the other big story of the day. From Bihar to West Bengal, the war of words between the opposition and the Election Commission has intensified. After the opposition slammed the recent voter list revision in Bihar, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee has once again turned her ire towards both the BJP and the Election Commission. Mamta has accused the EC of acting as a dalal or a broker for the BJP, calling its actions disgraceful tactics. Listen in.
एक तो इलेक्शन कमीशन बैठे हैं, मैं उसको डिसरेस्पेक्ट नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन अगर कोई बीजेपी दलाली करे तो हम उसको इंसान के लिए हम कहेंगे दलाली मत करना, हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे। मैं बिहार में सुना 30.5 लाख वोट निकाल दिया, ऐसा करके महाराष्ट्र में बीजेपी जीता, नहीं तो नहीं जीतता। दिल्ली में भी ऐसा करके जीता, बिहार में भी ऐसा प्लान कर रहा है, वो भी हमारा भाई बहन है। बंगाल में भी प्लान करना है। हम तो इंच में लड़ाई करेंगे और दिखा देंगे बिना युद्धे 1 इंची जमियों अमृत छाड़ बोलना।
So you heard what Mamta Banerjee had to say, and the political storm over the Election Commission's neutrality continues to intensify as the INDIA bloc unleashes a flurry of attacks. From accusations of being a broker to calling it a vote chore, the opposition has left no stone unturned in its criticism of the poll panel. Leaders from the Shiv Sena, the Uddhav Thackeray faction, have joined the chorus, accusing the Election Commission of being in cahoots with the BJP. Samajwadi Party has also called out the Election Commission for what it sees as blatant bias towards the ruling party. Listen in.
She'll be forced to see it, in the sense that what happened and the crackdown will be done by center. She can't even stop, of course, the way they are doing it. Maybe she was prepared earlier and whatever it is, but I would say that when there is time to show the unity of India alliance, but sometimes she doesn't show that. And not only that, violence are inflicted upon left front workers and Congress workers.
Every time when opposition asks question with Election Commission, it is BJP who comes to defend on this. And that definitely raised the eyebrows of opposition ki why Election Commission is so biased towards the ruling parties. The systemic evaluation in the Bihar 2 months before the poll is against the eyebrows raised question for the Election Commission. And Election Commission is not giving a fruitful, satisfying answer to opposition. And that's why this remark has been taken by Mamta Banerjee, and it's a valid point she has taken.
Meanwhile, the BJP has criticized the opposition for its attacks on the Election Commission. The ruling party has called these statements unacceptable. Listen in.
राहुल गांधी बार बार आने वाली हार का ठीकरा फोड़ने के लिए कोई ना कोई सहारा ढूंढते रहते हैं। इस बार चुनाव योग पर निशाना है, पहले ईवीएम पर निशाना था, कभी सिस्टम पर निशाना है, कभी मौसम पर निशाना है। लगभग 12 बार लॉन्च हो चुके हैं और हर लॉन्चिंग असफलताओं की सीढ़ियों पर सीढ़ियां चढ़ाती जा रही है।
And with this, we will slip into another very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.